The bossman. So here to read the pressure of the water. So now in all the rooms, now in all the rooms the pressure is good. Okay. Here today with the help of the pumping machine, now the pressure is massive. When you open, the pressure is really good. That's it from down. This is from here. Okay. Entering into this washroom. If we enter here, put on the light there. Yeah. This washroom too. The water pressure is now good. Yeah. Then we come here to okay, so now with the WC, so boss, now the pressure there, in all the rooms, the pressure is okay. In all the washrooms. Okay, so this room, this is the basin. Okay. The WC.